Hi guys, welcome back to the Launchpad art session. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a pebble. Here we go. This is a little alien pebble that my daughter painted actually, using nail varnish. Most people have got nail varnish in their house that they don't use. We had a rummage and we came up with all these different colours, so that's what I'm going to use today. We also had some pebbles from a beach trip that we had, so we're going to use those and I'm going to show you how to do a few designs. Here's one that I've started. The pebble looked like the shape of a fish, so I've started off by doing a base coat and I'm going to add some detail now. But first of all I'm going to add some colour to this one. I'm going to attempt to do a rainbow on my pebbles. So I've got a nice flat round sort of oval shaped pebble. I'm going to try and do a rainbow on there. So I've got all my colours of the rainbow. I'm going to try to very carefully. Now you need to be careful with nail varnish that you don't spill it. So this activity is better for older children. There's a nice orange. You need a nice steady hand. You might want to do 2 coats if it's a bit thin to get that nice vibrant colour. And this should dry and then it will be suitable for going in the garden because it's a varnish. Got some yellow here. Try and do a yellow art. And some green. Obviously you can do whatever design you want. It doesn't have to be a rainbow or a fish. You could do an alien or maybe a ladybird or another mini beast, or you could just stick to some patterns. Oh, there we go, there's my blue. The last one is going to be this purple indigo. If I can open it. There we go, obviously haven't used this one for a while. And there's my rainbow. Right, let me show you. There we go. Now when that dries, I might want to paint some clouds or some raindrops, or I could just leave it like that. Right, I'm going to finish off my fish now. So I've done the base coat, which is nice and dry. I've painted it in the shape of a fish, as I said. And then now I'm going to put an eye. I've got some black nail varnish here. If you haven't got black, you could just use a Sharpie or something waterproof. And do a little eye on here. And a mouth. And then I'm going to put some scales. I might use, it's hard to decide, I like this colour here. I just do some little scales. I'm going to choose a different colour. maybe this dark blue, or royal blue. And to make my fish shimmery, I might add a little bit of this gold. Actually, this one looks nice, yeah. These are quite old, some of these, so they're quite good for painting pebbles with. Yeah, that looks good. You might want to wait for each layer to dry before you add other layers. But there is my fish. There we go. But as I said, you could do some funny alien faces. Now my daughter actually used a hot glue gun and stuck a magnet on the back, and it fits. It's not too heavy, so it can go on the fridge. So you might like to do that. Otherwise, you can just leave them as pebbles, put them in a bowl, and they look really nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this activity. Please do send us some pictures if you make your own. We'd love to see them. We'll see you next time. Thanks from Launchpad.